Hi guys, my name's X. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about compound interest and how powerful it is. A famous person called Albert Einstein has stated that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. The purpose of this video is just to tell you how powerful compound interest can be. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, for the purpose of this video, this is X. He's 25 years old. His work is confidential. Okay. His income minus his expenses, he have a savings of $1,000 per month. Okay. So this is a constant. Alright. X is 25. Income minus expenses, savings $1,000 per month. Okay. So this is plan A. Okay. Plan A is a savings plan. Okay. X save $1,000 a month for 12 months times 30 years. So at the age of 55 years old, he ends up with a savings of $360,000. Alright. Look. Now, let me show you what compound interest can do. This is plan B. Okay. Plan B is a savings plan plus the magic formula, compound interest. Okay, so $1,000. Okay, I don't really understand this. Okay, I calculated it using a compound interest calculator. So I'll put the link below, and then you can use the same calculator if you find this calculation hard. Luckily, I was helped by my girlfriend, and she's a math whiz. She's really pro in maths, and this is the formula for compound interest. Okay, for this purpose, she puts here 7% interest. So I'm gonna put the 7% interest picture here. Okay. Alright. So in the end, X has $1,219,971 at the age of 55 years old. Okay. So isn't that a huge amount, right? So 1,219,000 compared with 360,000. So which plan would you choose? Plan A, savings only, or plan B, savings with compound interest? It's plan B. Choose this plan. Remember, compound interest. Choose compound interest because it will bring you a lot more money. Okay. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you. Okay. So if you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel X and You. We post weekly, so stay tuned.